How to get Malaysia work visa in 2023. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be diving deep into a very interesting topic, that is how to get Malaysian work visa in 2023. We've put together an informative and engaging video that will provide you with the latest information and insights on Malaysian work visa. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we're confident that you'll take something valuable away from this video. So, grab a notebook and pen, and let's get started. Malaysia is a great location for expats to live and work. For foreign investors that have the intention to expand their business in Malaysia will find it much easier to send their senior team from their home country to manage the newly Malaysian registered company via a work visa, such as the employment pass. Malaysia has its own set of regulations and laws when it comes to the employment of foreign nationals. Hence, the Immigration Department of Malaysia has imposed that each employing company must apply the right work visa in order to employ foreign expats. Once the foreign expat has attained his Malaysian work visa, only then the foreign expats are allowed to enter Malaysia and start working. How to work in Malaysia. For foreign talents who wish to live and work in Malaysia, they are first required to attain a work visa. The Malaysian Expatriate Talent Service Centre, MY-Expat Centre, is the department who are responsible to process and issue all employment pass, EP, related documents. A Malaysian registered company may only proceed with an employment pass application once it has registered and been approved by the Expatriate Services Division, ESD. What are the types of visas in Malaysia? Malaysia has 3 types of working visas. The type of visa you select when you apply for Malaysia work visas would depend on your job and skills involved. The types of visas issued in Malaysia for working professionals are: Employment Pass, EP. Temporary Employment Pass. Professional Visit Pass, PVP. Employment Pass versus Professional Visit Pass, PVP. Employment Pass visas allow a foreign expat to take up employment with a Malaysian registered company. This visa will be subjected to the length of the employment contract the employing company has offered. The foreigner must hold either managerial or technical positions to be eligible for this visa. Employers will lodge the employment pass application on behalf of the foreign expat. EPS are valid for up to 60 months, and approval is issued by the Expatriate Committee, EC. Other approval agencies include the Ministry of Home Affairs. Holders of this visa can bring their family members with them under the Dependent Pass visa. On the flip side, the PVP is a work pass visa which allows expats to take up professional work in Malaysia. The visa is valid for a maximum of 12 months. To qualify for this visa, the foreigner must be residing outside Malaysia at the time of application. Eligible positions for this type of visa include Professor, Lecturers, Speaker, Researcher, Consultants, Technical Advisors, Maintenance, Installation and Fixing Experts, Machines and Equipment. PVP holders are not entitled to bring their family members with them or apply for the Dependent Pass visa. Professional Visit Pass, PVP, Prerequisites. All PVP applications must be made outside Malaysia unless the foreigner is applying for an extension. Applications must be submitted by either an employer, sponsor, or school in Malaysia. If applications are lodged by the school, it should be made at least 1 month before the learning or teaching commences. Applications must be sent to the Federal Government Administrative Centre, Pusat Pentadbiran Kerajaan Persekutuan. Certain categories of the PVP shall be subject to consideration, and these categories include: other experts volunteers, Filming and performance by foreign artists. Islamic missionary. Practitioners, other religious workers. International students who are undergoing religious courses with the Malaysia Bible Seminary. Government-to-government program or on government purpose. The validity of the PVP will be subjected to the requirements and conditions of Malaysia's immigration rules and policies for a period which does not exceed 12 months. Any applications for a PVP which are made for the purpose of undergoing training at a factory or hotel is only applicable for a period not exceeding 6 months. The employing company must put in the application. Passport copy, preferably certified by Notary Republic. 12 and IM 38 visa application form can be found in the official website. Letter of offer from Malaysian registered company. Employing company latest profile, business plan and company profile can be retrieved from company secretary. Academic certificates. Letter of approval from Department of Religion and Islamic Religious Department, if required. Bank guarantee for China citizens. Once approved, the foreign worker is able to apply the visa with reference, VDR, from Malaysia Embassy, if needed. Once arrived in Malaysia, the foreign worker is to visit the Immigration Department of Malaysia to receive the Professional Visit Pass sticker on their passport. Employment Pass vs Temporary Employment Pass, TEP. To be an eligible employment pass holder, a foreigner must be a degree, or above, diploma or technical certificate holder. They must also have the relevant work experience required for each qualification level. The categories for employment pass are as follows. Category I. Salary of RM10,000 and employment contract valid for 5 years. Category 2. Salary of at least RM5000 and employment contract valid for 2 years. Category 3. Salary between RM3000, RM5000 and employment contract not exceeding 12 months. A TEP will enable semi-skilled and unskilled foreign workers to work in Malaysia. Occupational roles include agriculture, manufacturing, mining, service sectors and construction. TEPs are valid for up to 3 years. However, they are subjected to yearly extensions. This would depend on the availability of the specified occupation. TEPs can only be issued after quota approval has been given by the local centre of approval. Family members are not eligible to apply for dependent pass visa. Malaysia's immigration requirements. Effective from June 2016, there are new Work Visa Malaysia requirements that all foreigners must be aware of. These changes must be considered when lodging your work permit application. The changes were introduced by the Immigration Department of Malaysia, and they include: employment pass and PVP holders must show a copy of the approval letter upon arrival. You will not be able to enter the country while your work visa is still being reviewed. Foreigners must exit Malaysia to renew their work visas. In-country renewals are no longer applicable. For employment pass category 1 and 2 holders, the minimum monthly salary of RM5000 can no longer include allowances. Allowances are no longer included to meet the minimum salary requirement. Which nationalities require a Malaysia working visa? All individuals who are looking to work in Malaysia will require a work visa, regardless of nationalities. And that's a wrap. Thank you for tuning in and we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. We appreciate your support and we'll see you in the next video.